Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to build your dream car in GTA Online. Embarking on the journey to create your dream car in GTA Online involves two key steps: earning cash and customization. Start by ranking up funds through missions, heists, or businesses. The more cash, the more option for your dream ride. Head to Los Santos Customs to give your vehicle a personalized touch. Modify the appearance with flashy paint, sleek spoilers, and more. Upgrade the engine, transmission, and suspension for superior performance on the streets. For special enhancements, visit Venice Original Motorworks. Here, certain cars can undergo unique modification like hydraulics, custom interiors, and advanced sound systems. Keep in mind that these upgrades come with a hefty price, so budget wisely. Your dream car becomes a virtual masterpiece, reflecting your style and success in the sprawling city of Los Santos. So hit the streets with pride as you customize ride turn heads and stands as a testament to your in-game achievement. And that's how to build your dream car in GTA Online. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!